Want to level up your Snapchat game and chat with more than one friend at a time? Let's dive into creating and managing your very own Snapchat group chats. First things first, open up your Snapchat app, make sure you're logged into your account, ready to connect. Now, tap on the chat icon, that little speech bubble usually found at the bottom of your screen. This takes you to all your existing conversations. Look for the Compose New Chat button. It often looks like a speech bubble with a plus sign, or sometimes a pencil icon, usually located in the top right corner of the chat screen. Tap on that, and you'll see a few options. We're looking for New Group. Go ahead and select that. Here's where you pick your crew. In the search bar, you can start typing the names of your friends you want to add. As you type, their names will pop up below. Tap on each friend you want to include in your group chat to select them. You'll see a little checkmark appear next to their name. Once you've selected everyone, look for the Create Group button. Usually at the bottom of the screen, tap it to bring your friends together. Congratulations, you've made a group chat. You can now give your group a name by tapping on the default group name at the top. This helps you remember who's in what chat. Now for the fun part. You can send snaps, messages, and even voice notes just like a regular chat. But to everyone in the group at once, just tap the camera icon to send a snap or the text bar to type a message. To manage your group, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the group chat. This opens up your group settings. Here, you can see who's in the group, add or remove members, and if you ever need to leave, you can do that from here too. You can even customize notification settings for this specific group. And that's all there is to it. Group chats on Snapchat are a fantastic way to stay connected with multiple friends simultaneously, share your moments in real time, and keep those social bonds strong. Happy snapping!